Are you looking for a smart bulb that can change colors but also play your favorite tunes from it? Well, as you can guess, I've got one here to show you. Let's make smart home tech simple to enjoy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell next to it so you don't miss that next video. Hello, you wonderful people. Welcome to the Gross Tech Show. If this is your first time here, hey, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. But my name is Josh, and today we're going to be looking at the Nunet LED smart bulb color changing Bluetooth speaker all-in-one thingy-majigger. Now, it's by Nunet, or New Vending is the parent company. Now, you may know or recognize that name because I've done some other products of theirs in other videos, which you'll see up here and down in the description, so check those ones out as well. But as always, to be totally transparent, New Vending did send us this bulb to review for you. But hey, don't go! Don't worry. I am going to give you a totally honest review as though I bought this bulb myself. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy the colors. Hey, so here is the bulb. It's a normal screw-in Edison socket bulb with the dome for the LED, and then it's got this two grills here for, I'm assuming, the speakers to come out, and this plastic casing around it, which I feel like would ruin the sound. But hey, what it uses is the app called Highlight, and so let's install it and put it up in our little light here and see how it works. Alright, so that was so simple to set this thing up. I literally installed the app, plugged it in, and it automatically connected. Now, one thing I will say is, to play music, you have to have it loaded on your device, the music itself, which is kind of stinks. But the nice thing is you can actually connect this thing as a normal Bluetooth speaker, so all you have to do is connect it like you would any Bluetooth headphones to your device, and then you can play anything you want. But the one thing you will see here, that's as bright as it goes. Really, it's ridiculous. This thing is not gonna replace your main light in your house or your room. It could really be great for reading lights or for accent lights, because I mean, as you can see here, let's change the channel, the color. I mean, it's got the full spectrum of being able to color change. You can change the brightness. You can turn it on and off. Profiles is pretty cool. You can have a sleeping profile, a reading profile, sport, and a romantic, and then you can customize it yourself. You can also set up a timer to where it'll go off at a certain time or come on at a certain time. So that's really nice that the app really works well that way. But that brightness is horrific. Man, it's so bad. Remember, this is a $20 bulb. It's able to connect to your phone. I haven't tried yet, but I'm sure that some way, shape, or form we could connect it into, say, Smart Life or Taya Smart, one of those apps. Also, it has a speaker. So I mean, it's not that great. It's not horrible. I kind of would compare it to like the Cube's speaker or the Google Home Mini, maybe. But I mean, it's a $20 bulb. Let me show you what it sounds like. That's as loud as it's gonna get. Alright, so not the greatest sounding speaker, really not the loudest sounding speaker either. But, I mean, again, it's $20 bulb. Now, one thing I did want to point this out that I just figured out, those two grills, fake. They're fake. Only one side actually has a facing speaker, the other side is just the sound can come out of. So one side is where the speaker will project through, the other side is just where it'll bounce out through. So where do I use this, or what's the point of it? Well, for us, I use it, and we use it in our son's room as like a nighttime light. It's great to be able to turn on and off from anywhere in the house. You can also set timers, which is great, and we can play lullabies or white noise and things like that in his room and control that all through our app. So it really works really well for that. Other places I could see you use this is places where you wouldn't want to set up a whole bunch of system. a whole bunch of wires and spend a lot of money where you're going to be putting it. So like a garage, a shed like we're in here. Hey, so what do you think about it? Let me know down below. Was $20 for this too much? I mean, is it even worth the $20? To me, I think it is. I mean, 20 bucks for a smart bulb that does music, changes color, and connects to your phone and be able to control it, all that. It's definitely worth the $20 versus paying $50, $60, a whole lot more for all of the other ones. And as just a thing to have to play random music from, that you're not trying to be a party person, not trying to have the best audio in the world, 20 bucks is pretty good in my opinion. But let me know what you think down below. Hey, so thank you so much for watching today's episode. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss another one. And also, hit that bell notification because YouTube doesn't like to tell you when the next episode is unless you have that hit. So make sure you hit the subscribe and bell notification. Like the video, share it, retweet it, all that stuff. Follow me, all that junk. Anyways, my name's Josh. God bless you guys. And as always, I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.